Hello guys, today we will learn A for apple and B for ball, A to Z alphabets, and these are colors. These are colors. Let's learn colors name. These are colors. Black color, pink color, sky blue color, yellow color, blue color, red color, dark pink color, dark green color, light green color, brown color, purple color, and orange color. Let's start the video. Letter A. A for apple. Letter A. B. Letter B. Letter C. Letter D. Letter E. Letter F. Letter G. Letter B. Letter J. Letter R. Letter Y. Letter M. Letter U. Letter Z. Letter N. Letter X. Letter N. Letter Q. Letter K. Letter I. Letter T. Letter W. Letter H. Letter V. Letter S. And letter O. So today we will learn alphabets A to Z. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for gorilla, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jug, A for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for green, R for rabbit, S for ship, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.